Hey crew! Many years ago, one of my students during a 10-minute break in a college algebra class asked if I knew any math jokes. I told her that the section we were covering in the textbook reminded me of one. Another student piped in. Don't tell me it's the overeducated circle with 360 degrees joke or the argument you had with a 90-degree angle, but then you found out it was right. I said no, those aren't terrible jokes, but I was thinking more along the line of something closer to home. As a matter of fact, it happened on the freeway right by the college. You see, this highway patrol officer noticed a car driving extremely slow on the freeway. He definitely saw this as a hazard, so he pulled the car over. As he walked over to the car window, he saw a really old woman as the driver. Being polite, he said, "Sorry I had to pull you over, ma'am, but you were driving under 25 miles per hour on the freeway, and it's a hazard not to drive with the flow of traffic, which is 55 miles per hour at the moment." The old woman, along with some older ladies in the car, replied, No, we were going the speed limit." The officer, a little perplexed, said, "What makes you say that?" The women in unison pointed to a sign outside the car that showed a 23. The officer looked and then said, "That's not the speed limit, that's the highway number. This is the 23 freeway." As he finished his sentence, he noticed one of the elderly women in the back seat looked as pale as a ghost, almost as if she had just seen a ghost, definitely looking very sickly. He immediately said, as he looked into the back of the car, "Lady, are you okay?" The elderly driver of the car said to the officer, She'll be all right in a little while. We just got off of Highway 118. Now, I'm not sure if I'd consider that the funniest math joke that I've ever heard, but it sure was appropriate for the early part of an algebra semester, since we were studying distance equals rate times time. So, help out your fellow math students. If you have any good math jokes, help ease their pain and suffering and put them in the comments below.
Hey, Alien Institute crew, don't forget to strike the like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also continue learning by watching more AI videos.